Kenny Polcari with me this morning. Kenny, I got to start with the Bitcoin rally. Is this the start of something big? Now you're at 77.3.
Well, listen, I think it certainly brought new life into it. The meeting the other day that Trump had at the White House has certainly added to the excitement. You know, do I think it's the beginning of a new rally? I think it's at least the beginning of the next phase. Do I think it's going straight to 250? No. Do I think, certainly we could test the prior highs? For sure. But I think more news has to come out. We have to see how this whole thing plays out. But absolutely, it's been a plus for Bitcoin. Look, it's up, like you said, 20% just this week alone on the back of that White House meeting.
I really want to talk about Moderna. They've had an incredible run this week. My question is this new vaccine having a similar impact on healthcare stocks that AI has had on all industries? You mentioned AI and the stock goes up. You mentioned these new drugs from Moderna and healthcare stocks tend to go up, right?
Yeah, look, I think it's been a huge win for Moderna. Certainly, it's been a huge win for kind of the healthcare industry. It's been a huge win for people suffering from different forms of cancer, or in this case, melanoma. This is all positive news, and I speak from personal experience, right? Because it was the Merck Keytruda that saved my life. But now when I see this news, I think this is even better in terms of what future treatments could be and what it means for people. So I'm very excited not only about this news, but I'm excited about what's happening in the biotech space. Moderna sits at the kind of the top of that list. So I think it's great. And I think, look, the whole healthcare, big pharma industry is up about 11% year to date. So it's underperforming the market. I think there's plenty of room there for healthcare, large healthcare and biotech to participate.
Okay. Now, we hear a lot about AI doom and gloom. But by trying to restrict AI or even killing it, it seems to me you're actually killing innovation like we saw at Moderna.
100%. If they start to kill AI, they're going to kill innovation. And this whole idea that's now sweeping parts of the country about no more data centers and we're not going to do it. And, oh, my God, we're going to put all these regulations around it. I have no problem with regulations, as long as the regulations are fair and they're wide enough, the guardrails are wide enough. But, if they start wanting to kill AI, they're going to kill a lot, and then we're going to fall way behind. Look, there's no question, there's no doubt about it. AI has changed the world that we live in every day. People are using AI and ChatGPT and other LLM models all day long to help them to do work, to help them to do research and all that, legal, business, finances, all that stuff. And so it's been a massive, massive boom for the industry. And so I think talk of trying to restrict it or kill it is fruitless.
I don't think you can kill it. It's here to stay. That's the way it is.
Yeah.
Kenny, you have a great weekend. We'll see you next week.
You as well.
Got it.